Good afternoon. This is Dave Hefner with the National Weather Service here in Santa Teresa and giving a weather briefing on our update to our winter storm. First off, here's the snowfall potential. The areas in magenta are all under winter storm warnings for tonight and the first part of tomorrow. And the area in the dark blue is a winter storm advisory, lesser amounts of snow. You can see in that area 1 to 3 inches are expected. The remainder of the lowlands, like Doñana, El Paso, and Hudspeth counties, are 3 to 6 inches. Up in Sierra County, northern Otero, then 4 to 8 inches. And the Sacramento Mountains, as much as 12 to 18 inches are possible through Sunday evening. Here's a look at what's going on right now. Currently, at press time, the upper low driving this system is located near Tucson. It'll move southeast tonight and be just south of the New Mexico Boot Hill late this afternoon and this evening. It'll track across northern Mexico Sunday, and by noontime it'll be over the Big Bend region or possibly even further east. That pretty much marks the end of the heavy snow, although some flurries will continue into the nighttime on Sunday. Expected impacts for the post-holiday travel. Your typical areas that have problems during snow events like Trans Mountain Pass, San Augustine Pass, Emery Pass among them. They'll all be severely impacted by the snow, heavy snowpack, and likely even closed for a period of time. The rest of the roadways around the area, of course, will be impacted too, and look for heavy snowpack on them and possible closures. The actual road conditions for drivers out there, and of course we ask drivers to limit their travel tonight to just what's necessary. You can expect snow-packed roads, iced bridges, and some low visibilities in the snow, and even blowing snow when the winds increase later this evening. Also can expect air traffic delays and or cancellations. The low clouds and visibility may restrict airport arrivals and departures. Other expected impacts for health. Little concerned with exposure tonight if you're outdoors. As I mentioned, the winds will pick up as the cold front moves in, and those winds combined with the chilly air temperatures will create fairly low wind chill temperatures. Other impacts, any events scheduled for tonight or Sunday stand a good chance of being canceled, so check with that event before you go. Commercial power, your electricity, could be strained or interrupted tonight, and possibly even be small pockets around the area that completely lose their power. Also, damage to pipes and plants is possible, so ask residents to use all protection they can on those. And also, this is mainly for up in the Sacramento Mountains where the snow will be really heavy, like 1 foot or more. There could be some structure damage or failure due to heavy snow loading on the roofs. Uncertainties. Location of the heaviest snowfall generally will occur in bands, and that's always hard to forecast exactly where those bands are. You're talking an area in one of those bands could get twice as much snow as other areas that didn't receive that. The other uncertainty, timing of rain turning over to snowfall. As I mentioned earlier, at press time 2 p.m., the rain's already turning to snow most areas, so that's not as much of an uncertainty anymore. Summarizing impacts, one of the main impacts will be road closures due to snowpack, ice, and snow and blowing snow. Slips and falls on hard surfaces are also possible by people outdoors, so use caution. Exposure danger due to the chilly air temperatures and winds tonight for both people and pets, so take precautions for that. Your electricity supply may be interrupted and possibly even lost for a period of time. Event cancellations and also air flights could be canceled overnight. And damage to pipes and plants is also possible. Again, for emergency managers and media, please stay tuned using our various social media outlets, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Once again, this is Dave Hefner at the National Weather Service, and thank you for your viewing.